Our next topic is role of nurse in journalism. That means the basically nursing role in the journalism process. That means from collecting the information and to provide the information to the public. Mainly nurse act as a mediator between collecting the information and giving the information to the public. So we will discuss the role. At first, the coordinator. By giving the information to the public, nurse act as a coordinator between the sources of information and by awareing the public to communicating the information. And then communicator. As nurse communicate between the sources of information and to the general people, so he or she act as a communicator. Then teacher. Nurses can giving the knowledge to the people and people are more and more effects by this knowledge. So nurse act as a teacher. In any critical situation, nurses can give an advice to the community people and people are benefit by the nursing role. So nurse acts as advisor or counselor. Then manager, nurse can manage the whole situation. So nurse as a manager in the case of journalism, he or she act as a leader and he or she give the information and make awareness to the public through information, education, communication and behavioral change communication. So nurse as a act as a leader. Then team player. Nursing is a team profession. By his or her team, she or he act total the aware of the people and aware the people and motivate the people by the awareness or by the information. So she or he act as a team player, act as a motivator, act as a delegator. He can produce the information to delegate the people. He or she can act as a critical thinker. If any question is asked by him or her, she can critically think about the situation and answer so this wisely. So she can act as a critical thinker and she can aware about the new idea. She can give the new idea, innovative idea that is beneficial to the community people and to the society. So she acts as an innovator and by the whole process of thing, nurse can research in the further use. She can be act as a researcher and she can act towards directive or advocate the community people. So she can be act as an advocate. Then that's journalism and nursing. Nurse as an advisor and source of information. The basically source of information from the source, nurse is providing the source to the information to the public. So from the for the public, nurse is a source of the information and nurse as a critical thinker. She can critically think and after critically think she can produce the information, produce the teachers to the public. So she can critical thinker. Nurses can identify the key messages. Key messages is very important. All of the messages is not meant for the public but key messages. She can find the key messages and produce the key messages, spread the key messages to the society. So she acts as a key messenger. Nurse is an educator or teacher previously discussed and nurses as communicator. This is the nurse's role. Basically the nurse's role, nurturistic, interesting, realistic, situational, etc. So by this point you can write coordinator, communicator, teacher, counselor, manager, leader, team player, motivator, delegator, critical thinker, innovator, researcher, advocate. And there is a new topic, the source of information, critical thinker, identify the key message, educator, communicator. If this question is in your exam, this is a 5 marks question. So you can write all of things and if the short notes is come about journalism, you can put previously video. I can use ABCD of journalism, responsibility of journalism, journalism definition, and at last journalism meaning, and at first the role of the nurse in journalism. Thank you. If you have any query, then ask me in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem. So thank you so much.